Hey cartoon friends, so today we're going to just use pencil and paper. Alright, and we're going to be drawing Kirby. Yeah, it's going to be super simple and fun, but this is Kirby Cat, okay? So let's start with an oval shape circle here on the page. Let's see how this looks. I'm going lightly just to start, nice and loose. And that is the complicated shape. Yes! And then the foot here. And then another big foot on this side. Okay. I'm going to run a center line, just across the oval like that, nice and light. And then another eye line like this. Okay. I'm going to have it holding its cheek. And this one just kind of down like that. And then cat ears. And another cat ear, and then the tail. Let's see, so maybe around like this, and then up, and around, okay? And then I'm gonna add little kind of paw underneath the foot here too. So I'm still drawing loose, it doesn't need to be perfect. And I'm just changing things as I go. Now the eye, let's see, so nice big eye there. Mouth, squint, and then the cheek, another cheek. And the inside of the ear, yeah, I think that's looking good. So yeah, just kind of have fun with this. I like to do things loose to start, and I actually change things as I go along. I'm not, totally set on that line being exactly there or this hand being there. I'm constantly changing things. Cool. All right, now I'm going to start, going over it, sculpting it a bit. So doing the outside line, and here with the foot. And it can be sketchy. This is just a loose, rough drawing, having fun, nothing serious. Okay. So don't feel like it's okay to make mistakes and then change it. And it's kind of the fun of this process. So yeah, let's go with paw. I can color that in later if I want. Now the ear and the head here. So let's see how I want to do that. Like that. Other arm. Then the eye. Because there's a nice big highlight there. Another little highlight over here. And you can just fill that in. Your mouth. The squinty line, squinty eye, sorry. Cheek. So just holding on the side of the pencil, nice and light. Same thing on the side. And you can color this in later if you want. I'm just showing the pencil drawing. And remember with this cat, Kirby's nice and round, so make sure everything's rounded. Okay. And don't be afraid of drawing through things, like how I'm drawing the ball shape, draw through the arm just a bit. And we can erase it later. Yeah, that's okay. Kirby Cat, yes. Let's see. Okay. That. Then the tail. gonna add a little bit of shadow here. Maybe a shadow here as well. A little bit of shadow there, and a shadow underneath the foot there, as well as this part of the foot. So it's just a loose drawing. And then maybe some whiskers. What do you guys think? Let's see. It may work, it may not. 1, let's see, 2. And the same thing over here. 1, 2. Oh, that's cute. I wasn't sure if that would work, but hey, it's awesome. All right, and then color maybe the ears in a bit, lightly. And a little darker underneath the body here. Make sure everyone can see the paw. Nice, and I think that is our Kirby. It's nice and loose. And you can go over and erase things if you want, but for this purpose, I think it's just kind of fun to just draw on. Don't need much. So this is Kirby Cat. All right. And you can add a shadow, or if it's sitting on something, or you know, the tail, you can add, you know, a little thing like that if you want. All right, or you can add little sparkles around it and stuff like that, but I'm going to sign it. And that's it. All right, friends, high five.